So let's do some algebra. Let's say that we have two boxes, and in each box I have a certain amount of marbles. But the number of marbles here are equal to the number of marbles here. Can I just name them? Can I say that X amount of marbles? Yes. So let's say there are X amount of marbles here. But because the number of marbles here are equal to the number of marbles here, I can name them as X as well. And let's say I know that they add up to 10. So equals 10. Right? Okay. So let's say how I can find what X is. I have one X here and another X here. And I know these two adds up to 10. So far I have X plus X equals 10. Now let's say I have 1 cup of coffee. And I'll put another cup of coffee beside that. How many cups of coffee do I have? Right, 2 cups of coffee. Now, I have 1x plus another x. How many x's do I have? 2 x's. So I can write 2x or 2 times x. But if I don't put anything in between the x and the number, it means x is multiplying to that number. And the rest equals what? Equals 10. So I have 2 times x equals 10, or 2x equals 10. Now, can you please pause the video and guess what x is, and then continue watching the video. Thank you for doing that. You should probably find x equals 5. You should have said to yourself, I have a certain amount here plus a certain amount here equals 10. And these numbers are equal. So if I divide 10 by 2, then I'll find the number of marbles. So your brain automatically divided 10 by 2 to find 5. Look at this 2 here. Now you have this 2 here. Look at the structure. So that's been divided by 2, right? So can I say, instead of saying 2 times a certain amount equals 10, can I say 10 divided by 2 equals x? So I just keep this part. And then x equals 10 divided by 2, which is 5, right? So look at the structure I found. This is division, but this is multiplication. What did I do? These two are the same. This 2 is the same as this 2. What has changed is this. Multiplication to division. So multiplication this side of equality, division the other side of equality. So we did the reverse action to the other side of equality. It might seem a little bit confusing, but don't worry about that. I don't want you to go and solve every single equation in your book tonight. This is a simple one, and you might guess that one, but there might be some harder ones that you wouldn't be able to guess the answer. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to give you different examples to solve to find their structure by yourself to be able to solve other equations in the future. What I want you to do tonight is just to solve this equation. 4 times x equals 20. It's like saying I have 4 boxes with x number of marbles in it. They add up to 20. How many marbles do I have in each box? Find the answer, and I will record a video tomorrow answering this equation and solving that equation and finding the structure. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. It's Mania from Genuine Space.